So in the last video, we looked at exporting our contacts as a CSV file from MailChimp, and it's pretty similar for most of the other services that you may be using like Aweber, etc. So we log back into ActiveCampaign and we click on lists. Now we can import to a list by just clicking on import from file. We choose the CSV file, click on open, and then ActiveCampaign sees that you have a column called first name and a column called email address, and it matches both of them up. So when you export your CSV file, it's important to make sure that there is a column called first name and a column called email. So you can edit your CSV in Excel and just pop those in and just make sure that they're in that order. Any other information that comes across in the CSV you can delete if you wish. There are more advanced options to take in some of the other information that would have came across in this CSV. But in most cases, as you're moving to a new system, you're just going to want their first name and their email address. Further down, then you can add other options. For example, you could tag this particular list, and we'll cover tags in detail, but just to say that you could, for example, tag these as Aweber or MailChimp or previous subscribers so that they have a particular tag of reference. And then you import as an active contact. There are other options there. For example, if you wanted to export a list of people who had unsubscribed, just to make sure that they don't get into the new system, you could do that as well. So you could import as unsubscribed or as excluded email addresses. For the most part though, you're going to want to use them as imported active contacts. So just click on that, click on import now, and the contacts will come into your list.